figured when my buddies, a couple friends will come down later, then I'll walk around later. Otherwise, I'll walk it all twice, and I'm trying not to walk as much.
Yeah. Okay, I'll be back.
Yeah.
Where are we, you ask? We're at Blast in the Grass in my hometown. Beautiful, beautiful cars here. And I'm going to try to film this before they start playing music, which you know how they work. They'll start that up real soon. People are still showing up, so there'll be more cars. Vicky's going to come down here and take some photos too. So, you know, her beautiful photos will be outdoing my little video here, but I'm going to walk through the whole thing and then take a seat. Then we'll go from there. I got some cousins here. They got their vehicles in here. I've also got the boss back there where we started the boat. Them are my friends. We stayed on their property for a while we were looking for houses. But just take a look here. Mustangs. This one here is a friend of mine, Bob Barton. We used to ride together. Haven't in a while. I guess he was at Sturgis this year and we missed him. He's got 2 or 3 cars. Three or 4 cars, I guess. Like that.
I found one.
Mercury. I like the old Mercuries myself. Kind of fond of them.
Oh, I don't know. I want to flip it myself.
Oh, you want to flip it?
This is a big event. Lots of cars will show up. Lots of people will show
Some of
up.
the bitch is bigger than you think it is.
But I'm going to go fast because, like I said, they ain't playing music yet. But I did find out something from Bob and Tam. If music's playing in the background, you just got to keep talking. That's why that guy never shuts up. Because if you keep talking and you don't have more than an 8-second pause, they can't penalize you or do anything to your car. I'm looking at cars, thinking of cars. Do anything to your video, which they do. I'm going to run down this way because there's cars behind me now too. We'll check these out, turn around, come back the other way.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, have nice to meet you. Yeah.
See any cars you had? See any cars you want? This video will probably have to be put on there in several sections. It's just going to take a while to walk through here.
Hey, look out now, look out.
You see
Look
that?
out now. Where's the car? I need to bring it. I brought both of them. Cooper went down.
Well, I think we're going to go up here and walk down this side now.
I watched the guy on internet. He walked in that back window. Ran it out the front, just welded it all up. Oh, yeah. Made it look pretty cool. Pop, pop, pop. And I was like, I still got some generator parts and right there. We have the generators.
It gave me trouble.
Got the black turkey.
No, I know. No. He said, but that was actually for 440.
Oh.
And the 440 is for work, because that's an RB, it's a race block. So that'd be the 450, 440, to 446.
My neighbor Robert's supposed to be putting his car like that one in here. I don't see it yet. Having a problem with his dogs still. All three of them tried to attack us yesterday. Gonna have to start carrying a billy club, I guess. About wore my foot out kicking on them. Pretty forward there. Old Mustang.
Remember the name, but not a face.
So what I was saying that because I'm from Montana Grizzlies, and my wife and her husband are
70 degrees, 1% chance of rain.
Oh, here we go. Buy me that. Have to sell a lot of stuff to buy that one. Is that kind of odd?
Nothing's ever easy.
Gonna go around the outside here.
yeah, the color works.
Hello.
Daughter Julie.
I always have it in the truck, you know.
Oh, with the dog? He said he just finished up doing some of the body work the night before.
We'll come back and film some of these closer up, some of the more pretty ones. Like I said, as soon as the music stops, we got to stop filming. Let's go over here and look at this. Go on the outside rim. There's a bunch of old hadakas. Guy brought them all in on a trailer. My nephew has one of these Corvettes. I wonder if it's going to be here today.
Maybe it happened with age too. Nobody noticed it, but I thought it was more of a blue gray. My mother's.
And we got those back there too. We'll be back. I'm just going to give you the general tour. We're still not made it around the outside yet. Beautiful 57 Chevys, whole line of those. Nice Ford pickup.
We got grills that you still never finished. You ain't gonna finish it.
Got some Harley-Davidsons in here. I got mine sitting over there, but it ain't entered. It's just sitting there. Okay, now then, let's go back down this way. Look at this. Hey!
Well, I know you still have Z Rod's car there. Yeah.
This is my cousin's pickup. He builds one of these for every grandkid. I think this is his. Changes them over to the LS motor. Does a good job. He's married to my cousin, and that's my cousin's brother. It's his brother. They're brothers. Nice little car. He's got a bunch of them. They both got a bunch of cars. I don't understand why people would have 50 or 60 of these cars just stored away. I don't know. You can't drive them all. You can't use them all. You can't work on them all. Why not share? Share the cars. Even if you put big prices on them, somebody will buy them. Somebody will love them. I don't know why people do that. Car hoarders, I guess. But each to his own. One would be plenty for me. I know how much it costs to keep these up, and I can't drive it you can't drive them all. You have more than one or two at the most. Bob has, like I said, 4, I think, and he drives them once in a while. But if you got like 14, 15, 60, I think my cousin there has like 50 cars or more. We don't know. We've never seen them all. He had to buy a big, almost factory to put them in. Yep. Lots of cool ones here. I couldn't even afford the Cushmans. Hope you enjoyed that little Oregon trip we took. There's a barn find, I guess they call it. Not restored much, probably original everything. Might have been a cop car. Let's see what we got here. Another row. You can see how many rows we got. Way over there, we've done that back row. Oh, here, let's get these here. Cool looking trucks. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna go. We're gonna get that truck so I can get in there. That's cool. Don't think that's got a stock motor in it. Look at the headers hanging out there. Mustang, Camaro.
That's for food. Watch out.
Mercury.
You hit my hand. He ate my tiki. He ate my dog.
Got that one dropped. Can't get much lower than that, huh? Nope.
I see that.
That's kind of nice. Chrome, lots of polished steel, I guess. It ain't chrome. Try and talk low and be respectful to everybody. Oops, we're back here. We made a zig. We're back to this one. We'll go around the corner here. Okay, we only got 2 more lanes of cars, I think. Huh. Big old Oldsmobile. I have a friend named Roscoe. Had a nice show bike and a nice show car, pickup, but never, I guess he quit doing it. Well, now look at that. Got a pause on that. Look at them headers.
Driveline built, new driveline built. They kind of moved in over there.
I'm betting they have good flow. Well, a friend of mine owns this one. Guy by the name of Doug Duggar.
Yeah.
He owns this one. Don't you, Doug?
Yep. No, you still got it. Gorilla super glue. See?
Where do you put the groceries?
Yeah.
Gotta put them up under the hood with the nitrous bottle.
Well, I've known old Doug Duggar there for about 42 years. And this is his prize joy right here. He's a mechanic, does a great job on everybody's car, but this one's his. It can go up in the air, as you can see, because it's got the plexiglass floor. You can see where he's going. Got his nitrous bottle up there. He says it only weighs about 700 pounds on the front end, so it gets up pretty easy. You're going to see some fire shooting out of there real soon, but what we're trying to show you here is that the rear axle, it goes right through the oil pan, because it's a front engine car motor put in the back of here. I think he said it was a Cadillac or something, but you can see it right there, but the better picture somewhere here. Anyway, that's Doug Duggar's car.
Looks good. You want a picture of some flames?
Oh, you're going to fire it up?
Yeah, want to see some flames?
Well, yeah, you know. You've seen my bikes, haven't you? They got flames on. Let's see what we got here, guys. We're going to get some flames going. Oh, I see. Got some igniters going on there.
Like it's all bit of flame. Seems like it's all there. Well, it's probably because it's not hot enough.
Oh, that's another guy I know right there.
Probably should.
I've known Doug forever. We used to do tractor pulls together. We had trucks. Bill is the owner of this car, and this is what you call a sleeper. The only thing old on this car is the outside shell. Everything inside is custom. The frame is custom. The driving suspension is all custom, aftermarket. You ought to hear it run. It sounds healthy. Nice little sleeper there. Thanks, Bill. Let's go ahead and do some more filming. Thanks, Doug.
Yeah.
That was a cousin of mine's car at one time. Okay. Chevelle. I think I know the people that own that. Yeah, right back here. Yeah, this old car right here used to go. He used to follow us everywhere we go. Every time we'd turn around, this guy'd be following us. How you doing?
Not bad for an old fat bastard.
Oh, yeah. Where you at? There you are. Okay. Have you ever checked out my videos? You're on there, I'm sure.
No.
Oh, yeah. Pretty face like
This
yours.
is my first car show I've ever been to.
Hey,
just
Pinocchio.
finally made it one.
Pinocchio, you better hold that nose in. I'll be back and talk to you.
See you, Gary.
Yeah, that Chevelle used to go on a lot of my poker runs. I don't know if you guys know it, but I put on a pretty good sized poker run for about almost 10 years. I think it was 9. We'd have about 100 people go 3 days, about 1,200 miles. And he would always follow us, and he'd do the poker hands. And then we always had another car following us with tow trucks, trailers and such. I mean, not tow trucks, but you know, crash rig. That's a nice looking Chevelle back there. We'll go get some more videos of it. That's kind of nice. Top front. Oh, Doug's. That's a nice rig Doug's got. He's a mechanic here in town. He was a mechanic when we were doing tractor pulls together. Worked at a shop that I drove truck at. There's probably some videos on here of my tractor pulling days. It was a pickup. It was 4-wheel drive one. See if we can get around here. They haven't told me to move yet. I haven't paid for my spot. Yeah, that's what I wanted with you. Oh, that's nice. If we only knew what these were going to be back in the day.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, nice. El Camino. SS. I know my cousin has one of those. I've seen that one. I don't know what all he's got. He's got a bunch of SS cars. That'd be a tour in itself to go do that. What we got there? 55 Chevy? I had a lot of these cars, but none of them were like that. They were all stock. Okay, we got another.
This is just fun to drive around. Yeah.
One, two. Two roads to go, I think, after this one. It's going to be a long video, I know it. I think I'm just going to stab it all on here at once. Because if you like cars, you're going to want to watch it all. All kinds of cars. I want to get it done before the people get here along with the music, because there's enough people here now you got to dodge around. You can only imagine what this park's going to be like. It's going to be full. Chevy. My nephew's got one like that. Really nice. Along with this Corvette, and he's got about 7 cars last I counted.
Drew, where are you? Drew. Drew, are you in your car? I can't see you.
Looking for Drew.
Where's Drew? The T-Bird hood is in front of you.
It's fascinating.
I can't see you.
Austin.
I've never seen ever heard of that one. They have the white.
The Allstate is the Henry J that was sold through Sears and Roebuck.
Oh,
Okay.
really?
They put a flag on the fenders and called it Allstate. Sold through Sears and Roebuck.
I wasn't asking anything about the chick magnet. That comes later.
I tore it clear now. Just like it was done the first time.
Clean, clean.
Yeah. fun. It was fun. Glad to have you.
That's going to be my ride for long.
Yeah.
I never went. I'll tell you why. I don't think you're the same part 3 of the story.
Work in progress. Back here.
What's up, John?
That's okay. For sale. I wonder how much. I wonder how much. Huh. 22,000 will buy you that. Clean looking rig.
Yep. Every year she gets a room wherever the Super Bowl is, because
Just in case, huh?
Yeah.
Just in case the 1 in a million.
That's what I'm kind of looking for, is a station wagon. That's what I'd like to rebuild. I'm looking for a 1960 station wagon. Doubt if I ever found one. Well, we're running around the corner here. And I think that's the last road we're going to now. Pretty long film, huh, guys? Sure hope it's filming. Having problems with this little camera. Served me well. There we go, yeah, last one. Or did we do this? No, we didn't do this. I think we might have done this one, guys. That's Bob's car right there. I'm lost. Because I know I don't remember this one. I find these little cars pretty awesome, really. There's a lot of work put into an old rust bucket right there. And I don't even know how they get into these rigs. I know I could never get into one of them. But this one here, it was quite unique, to say the least. So that's why I took some photos along with the video.
sure.
Well, I think we're going to go ahead and go down through here. Because I lost track. I don't think we've seen this one. If it is, I'll cut it out. I think we're going to make the whole thing without music, guys. I do. Must be the Ford section. I think I know that car right there. Miller, I think, owns it. Let's see. Yeah, Wade Miller. Yeah. The guy's had that since he was a kid. You're following me. Only the other way.
Well, the little ones we're talking about.
Oh, yeah.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the 23rd annual of Blast on the Grass Car Show here in the beautiful town of Harley-Davidson. I'm TVB. I'm going to be playing your cool oldies today. Let's go over a little bit. If you are here and you have not registered your car, the registration is open just down the hill over here to my right, your left. Over here where the old baseball diamond used to be. Also, that's where the raffle items are. Go ahead and purchase raffle tickets as well. All vendors are open. Beer, wine, food, craft, etc.
Alright guys, this is what it looks like. That's how big it is. Easy yakking. So the music is going to start up soon, but we made it. This is how big it is. This is Hagerman Park. And you see how big it is. There's quite a few cars. We're going to go here and we're going to do these. We're going to call it a good shoot. And then we'll have another video and we'll just do each cool car that I deem cool. So let's check these out and we'll fade out right down here.
5 o'clock, there's the first game.
Skyler Chanel on my
live music. Bird cake at Wilson's Club.
Lots of places to spend your money, guys.
If you will, please, if you will all please rise, remove your hats.
I did sample as much of that food as I could that day. Had, I think, 3 different types of hot dog alone. Well, I've been looking for a car, and a certain car, 1960 station wagon that used to be owned by my father. He bought it brand new. Well, I got bad news today. I was standing over here talking to one guy. A guy walks up and he says, "Are you looking for that car?" And I said, "Yeah." He says, "Well, yeah, you contacted me." And he says, I know who went to it. And he says, I had it. I traded it off for some engine work done. Then that guy had it and sent it to another guy. And he says, that guy's over here somewhere. We found the second guy and found out that the second guy had traded it off to another guy, and then they put it on a farm, and then somebody bought the farm and promptly smashed everything on the farm. Yep, never going to see that 1960 Chevy ever again. So I'm going to keep looking. Maybe I'll find one that I can restore. I'd really like to do that. Oh, did I show you this? It ain't no show bike, but it's in the show. But I'm not even competing because we got some good looking bikes here. I just threw it up here so people could grab some cards and, you know, get the old channel going a little better. Well, that's my story, sad as it may be. What do they say? Winner, winner, chicken dinner? Yes, my friend's Boss Boat here. She got People's Choice. She gets it almost. Well, she has always got it. Every year she shows up. She's got quite the outfit there, along with that good-looking Jeep and Harley-Davidson parked behind her. Well, this video is long enough. I hope you enjoyed looking at all the cars and a few of the pictures I took. There's more pictures, but I think you got your ears and eyes full of car show right now. So, thanks for viewing. Subscribe for more stuff coming.